Danilo Cabonitala Ildefonso, born December 9, 1976, is a Filipino former professional basketball player. He currently serves as an assistant coach for both the Converge Fiberxers of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA) and the New Bulldogs of the UAAP. Nicknamed Danny I, the Demolition Man and Lakáy, Ildefonso was awarded PBA Most Valuable Player in 2000 and 2001, being one of 4 players to do so in back-to-back seasons along with Boggs Adornado, Alvin Patrimonio, and June Marfajardo. He is also one of the few PBA players to have won all 3 major MVP awards in the league: regular season, finals, and All-Star Game MVP. He was picked first overall in the 1998 PBA draft and the 2014 PBA expansion draft, becoming the only player in the PBA to be drafted first overall 2 times and being drafted first overall in the draft and the expansion draft. Ildefonso played amateur basketball for the National University Bulldogs in the UAAP and for Agfa in the Philippine Basketball League, and a member of the Philippine national basketball team on several occasions. He started his PBA career in 1998 when he was drafted by Formula Shell. In 2013, after 15 years with San Miguel, he was waived by the team and then joined the Meralco Bolts in the same year. He spent 1 season with Meralco before being released to the 2014 expansion draft. However, Blackwater Elite, who drafted him, did not sign him because of contract problems, stating that Ildefonso is expecting too much salary on the team. Ildefonso defended himself, stating that his wage with the team is very low. In late 2014, Ildefonso returned to Meralco. He then retired from playing basketball in 2015, but made a brief return in 2023 for Converge. Ildefonso first joined the under-18 national team in 1995, helping the team place 6th in the ABC Under-18 Championship. He then led the Philippines to a gold medal in the 1997 Southeast Asian Games alongside Rommel Atakul, Ralph Rivera, and coach Don Vergeer. They had also finished in 9th place during the 1997 ABC Championship earlier that year. He also joined the team for the 1998 SEBA tournament. In 2002, Ildefonso joined the team for the 2002 Asian Games in Bizan, but struggled throughout the ASEAN, mainly due to his role of playing small forward instead of his natural position of power forward. The Nationals ended up in 4th place after losing a heartbreaking semis matchup against South Korea. Political career. Ildefonso served as the barangay captain in his hometown of Barangay Cabulon in Urdaneta City. He ran for councilor of Urdaneta, Pangasinan in the 2025 Philippine general election, but did not win enough votes. personal life, Ildefonso's family consists of his wife Ren, with their 2 sons and 3 daughters. Their sons Sean and Dave were both drafted into the PBA. Their daughter Pia went on to play in the Premier Volleyball League after surviving cancer, and their twin daughters Sim and Sam are also amateur volleyball players. They raised them as Christians. Ildefonso is also the uncle of BJ Andrade, who he helped get into Ateneo and got to coach at Converge. After retiring, Ildefonso became a businessman. These include owning a Petron gas station and a chicken farm. He also founded the Lakáy Danny Ildefonso Developmental League, which features players at the age of 14 and under from his home province of Pangasinan. Ildefonso's life story, from his struggles with poverty in his younger years to his rise to basketball superstardom, were dramatized on Malayalam Okaya in 2004, where he was portrayed by Victor Neri. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.